Back in October, we told you about an upcoming Supreme Court case involving a new animal cruelty law in California. The court has now rejected a challenge to that law, ruling that the case was properly dismissed by lower courts. The California law requires pork producers to provide more space for breeding pigs if they want to sell in the state. Those producers sued, saying the law would force them to change their practices, even though pork is produced almost entirely outside California. The pork producers argued that 72% of farmers use individual pens for sows, and that even farmers who house sows in larger group pens do not provide the space California would require. They estimated that complying with the law would cost the pork industry up to $350 million. Even the Biden administration urged the court to side with pork producers, arguing that the law has thrown a giant wrench into the nation's pork market. Despite this, the court affirmed its opinion that in most cases, companies selling a product in a state must follow the laws of that state. Quote, no state may use its laws to discriminate purposefully against out-of-state economic interests. But the pork producers do not suggest that California's law offends this principle. Instead, they invite us to fashion two new and more aggressive constitutional restrictions on the ability of states to regulate goods sold within their borders. We decline that invitation.
Thanks for watching. In this time of media mistrust, Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. It's the way news should be. Welcome to trustworthy journalism. Join us at straightarrownews.com.